this video, I will show you how to delete ChatGPT history. First of all, open the ChatGPT application on your device. Ensure that you are logged into the account whose chat history you wish to delete. If you are using the web browser, navigate to the ChatGPT website and sign in using your credentials. Once the application is open, you will land on the home screen. Here, look for the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This menu icon is represented by two horizontal lines, often referred to as hamburger menu. Tap on it and a side menu will slide out from the left hand side of the screen. To open the settings, tap on your username at the bottom. Settings menu will appear. The settings menu is where you can manage your account preferences, privacy options, and other controls. Here you will see a variety of different options. You will also see the option of data controls. Tap on it and on the next screen data control settings will appear. Here locate and tap on the clear chat history option. Then a confirmation message will appear which tells you that once you take this action you will lose all the previous search history and this action cannot be undone. So tap on clear chat history option to confirm your action. After that the chat history will be cleared. If you want to check, you can go back to chat history and verify that it will be all cleared. And this is how you can delete ChatGPT history.